Quality culture means the technical side to achieve quality, and culture, that means human behavior. And so these are two different directions that have to be combined to quality culture. This is the main problem today, that most of the initiatives, they focus only on the technical aspects and they do not consider the human behavior. It's not a job for a single person, but it's a work that requires a team. Well, the attendees will learn how to assess the quality culture as it is currently in their organization, and they will learn how to investigate any deficiencies or any weaknesses to improve that situation.
You can talk openly about specific problems that you're having within the company and help problem solve them with other people with a similar background, so they can be very useful.
The trainers are supporting this approach by sharing their experience, by preparation some practical examples, which is a good starting point for the discussion and to share the different experience and knowledges.
The most important thing for a pharmaceutical company to increase their quality culture is to understand that the environment is responsible for human errors or mistakes or deviations. And we have to look at the environment that helps, that supports the employees to perform their work right first time. What are the conditions the employees work with, and do they have all the technology and the support from the systems, from the computer systems, from the documents, from the processes, and we check the reason why the situation is as it is currently, and we define CAPAs to improve that situation. We have an intense discussion and possibility to discuss about the individual needs of each organization, and that helps to individually design corrective and preventive actions to improve the quality culture of each organization.